Hi everyone, my name's Elan and I work at Need Center in the Swiss program that runs out of Acadia Junior High School. Today, we're going to make homemade word searches together. First, go grab a pencil and a piece of paper. Go! Next, go look outside a window or do a little walkthrough of your home and write down 10 to 15 things you see. Now make a grid on your paper. It can be as big or as small as you want it to be, and the lines don't have to be perfect. This one is kind of medium-sized. I also made one that's quite small as an example, or you could do really big ones with tiny little squares. That's just a little bit more intense. Next, you can write down the words that you found around your house or looking outside the window. You can write them underneath or beside. Next, you need to hide your words inside your grid in any direction. The letters just have to be beside each other. So I ran out of room while I was filling in the words and didn't include the word window, so I just crossed it out. However, I could have added another column on the side. You definitely have flexibility to do that. I just chose not to. So now is the time where you're going to fill in all these other empty spaces with random letters. Obviously this is going to be a lot quicker versus doing all these empty spaces. So if you choose a bigger grid, it's just going to take more time, but it will totally be worth it. So here we go. Once you've filled it out, then go give it to someone that lives with you, because we are staying inside to be safe, and then let them find all the words that you've hidden. If you want to add a little bit of excitement, you can set a timer and see how long it takes the other person to finish. Also, you can ask them to make one for you, and then you can swap. Be creative and have fun.